Despite the escalation talks going on between India and China, a potential aerial clash between the two nuclear-armed giants remains on the card. A clash between the Indian Su-30 MKI and the Chinese Su-30 MKK cannot be ruled out, as both the jets remain the backbone of their respective air forces. Both India and China have designed their respective Sukhoi fighter jets on the Su-30. But the Indian version is Su-30 MKI and Chinese version is Su-30 MKK. Both have little differences. Although both India and China possess Sukhoi jets, the Indian version enjoys the upper hand. The Indian version of the Sukhoi has advanced Israeli avionics and electronic warfare systems and other Indian and French subsystems, making them different from the standard Su-30s. The Israeli avionics in the Su-30 MKI are all-weather, dual-frequency, digital multi-mode. There are several other key differences between the MKI and other variants of Su-30 aircraft. The Su-30 MKI has a maximum range, with one in-flight refueling, of 8,000 kilometers. The Su-30 MKK has a maximum range, with one in-flight refueling, of 5,200 kilometers, which 35% less than MKI variant. Additionally, the Su-30 MKI has a variety of missiles in its armory, including the Russian origin R-73 or 77 and locally developed Astra and BrahMos missiles. Recently, Indian Air Force has integrated advanced British origin MBDA-made ASRAAM short-range air-to-air missile. The Astra missile, developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization, will increase the target range of the Su-30 MKI and make it more deadly than ever before. ASRAAM has given it more killing capability in short-range combat. Air-launched BrahMos supersonic cruise missile increases its precision land attack and anti-ship capability from a long distance. The MKI also has thrust vectoring technology, thus making it more maneuverable than its Chinese counterpart. In comparison to the IAF, the PLA Air Force has two versions of the Su-30, the Su-30 MKK and MK2. However, the Chinese version is not as competent as the Indian version, since Beijing has restrictions on the use of Israeli and Western technology and has to only depend on Russian or indigenous abilities. Currently, the IAF has 260 MKI as part of its fleet, with more expected to join. Chinese experts reject the Indian claim and counter-claim that Su-30 MKK is the most powerful fighter jet of the Su-30 family. The multi-role variant offers enhanced combat capabilities against aerial, ground and sea-based targets. China has also been able to upgrade the Su-30 MKK's fire control system to give it the capability to use its indigenous weapons, including the deadly YJ-12 and YJ-18 anti-ship and land attack cruise missiles. Thank you everyone for watching this video.